Dear students, parents and teachers, today I am showing you one circular which is given by the CBSE Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021, circular number ACAD 17 2021. In this circular they have mentioned that the fourth edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha, the unique interactive program of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi with the students, teachers and parents will be held through online mode in the third week of March 2021 by adhering to the COVID-19 protocol. I will show you how you will get this circular. To getting this circular, you have to type CBSE, click over here, click here CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education. Now you will get this kind of interface. You have to click over here Pariksha Pe Charcha, or you can directly click here. Okay, so when you click here you will get this circular. Okay, now I will show you further procedure. In the same circular, in point number 2, they have mentioned one link through which link the students from 9th standard to 12th standard, parents and all the teachers may participate in this competition, which is open from 18th Feb to 14th March. Okay, so you can click this link. I will show you. You can click this link. After clicking on Pariksha Pe Charcha, you will get this kind of the interface, and here you have to click. Now if you are a student, you can click over here. If you are a student but participation through your teacher login, then you have to click here. And if you are a teacher, you have to click here. And if you are a parent, then you have to click here and register yourself and attend the competition. Now I will click here because my madam, she's sitting beside me and she will fill the form. This is the kind of form which you have to fill. In this form you have to fill each and every information. After that you will get the competition page. So after filling page, I'll show you. Now you can see parents, students and teachers, we have filled this form. This is online form which is filled by our one teacher, as well as she is the parents also. So as a parent, she has filled this form. Now I will show you. Scroll down. I'll show you the form. In this way we have completed it. Now you can see students, parents and teachers. Here we are getting the activity details, theme, Vishay. So here we have selected the topic, be your child's friend. So this is our topic, and we have to write for 500 words over here related to this topic, and after completing this we will submit, and afterward we will get one participation certificate. So this is the way to involve or to participate in Pariksha Pe Charcha. It is very easy. I appeal to my each and every parent and each and every teacher and our 9 to 12th standard students, then please participate. Now here you can see we have written over here. Now we'll submit it. So we'll show you after submission. Now here we get the notification. You have successfully submitted for PPC 2021. Okay, download the certificate. We will click here, downloading the certificate. So you can see over here that we got the certificate immediately. So I must say congratulations to my madam and parent, Shatabdi Sinha.
Thank you.
So you will also get such kind of the participate and have this competition, they will select 2000 participants and they can get a chance to hang out with one of the most inspiring Prime Minister ever. Ask him for tips, seek advice. You could even pose questions you always wanted answer for. So through this you will get the chance to interact with Prime Minister Mr. Modi. So grab the opportunity and participate in this competition. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I appeal you that please participate in this competition and make it successful.